How's it going, guys? Just jumping on to run through how to set up your custom columns inside the Facebook Business Manager on your Facebook ad account. Okay, so as you can see here, um, let me just move it over slightly. As you can see here, all of our columns are set up to allow us to read data from soft metrics all the way to the hard metrics. Okay, so we start with impressions, then we go on to hook rate, thumb stop, hold rate. We then go on to cost per impressions, CTR, outbound CTR, unique CTR, link clicks, cost per link click, content views, cost per content views, add to cart conversion value. Now this is optional, okay, but we like to just add it in. Cost per add to cart, initiated checkouts, cost per checkout initiated, purchases, cost per purchase. These are starting to get into the hard metrics, okay. Amount spent, return on ad spend, and purchase conversion value. Okay, we also like to add in frequency. Okay, so you know how many times your ad is being shown to this group of people. Okay, and then we have our attribution window here is just so you know what it's attributed: 7-day click, 1-day view. Okay, so that's the way we set up our columns for success, and I'm going to show you how to do the same. Okay, so I will go into yes, I will go into just a blank ad account. So this is just an ad account I have created especially for this, okay? And just to break down how exactly you can do this for yourselves, okay? So when you go in, you want to scroll down to here and you want to go to customize columns. They will already have a certain amount of automatic columns in here. And what you want to do here is you want to just remove these. You would have left impressions in there, but I clicked out by accident. So what you want to do is you want to go into impressions. We don't actually have the thumb stop and hold rate in here, so we'll you should have been already shown that in the previous video. As you can then add that in by creating a custom metric and then searching for it in here. Okay, so CPM, and then you want to go CTR. So you want to go CTR, link click through rate. You can add all these in, okay? And what you will do with these is you will be able to analyze, okay, what is the CTR? And if the CTR is high, you'll know that the ad is working, okay? So then you want to go into link clicks and you want to go to cost per link click. After that, you want to go to landing page view, total, and you want to go to cost, because we want to see how much is costing us to get a page view. Okay, after that you want to go to view content, so content views, cost. So you want to be able to remove that. Okay, and then you want to go to add to cart. Some people like to add payment info. I don't really use it, so you want to scroll down here, meta add to cart. I take that off because it's not actually on your website. And then we want to go to initiate checkouts initiated, and then we want to go cost. I usually take that out, and then we want to go to purchases. And we want to go to amount spent. purchases, cost, value. So purchase conversion value, cost, ROAS, total. I usually actually have that in there. Amount spent, ROAS, and purchase conversion value. And then you want to go to frequency. And there is how your columns should look. And then what you want to do is save this as a preset and just say econ. Okay. So then what we want to do is we want to just check that it's all there. Okay. So as you can see, it's all aligned and it goes from start. So what we really want to be analyzing, okay, is from start of the journey. So start of the journey is the impression, and impression is when somebody sees your ad, how much that is costing us, okay? That is the CPM. Okay, then we want to go on to your CTR, which is what percentage of people are clicking through from your link onto when we have click-through click-through rate, then we have unique link click-through rate, and then outbound click-through rate. So how many times what percentage of somebody is clicking outbound, so they've clicked and actually gone on out of the platform, Facebook, and onto the website. So we want to go to link clicks, how much it costs for a link click, landing page views, how much it costs to view the landing page, where they landed on. Content views, this will be where your product is, okay? So you could have a landing page that you're being directed to, but it doesn't actually have products on the page, okay? After that, it's content views, cost per content views, then obviously add to cart, how much it's costing us to get an add to cart, initiate checkout, how much it's costing us for the person to initiate checkout, then down to the hard metrics, purchases, how much it's costing to get a purchase, amount spent, how much you've spent overall, okay, and then you'll have your ROAS, okay, so how much you've spent overall and the actual conversion value of all your purchases, okay, and then you'll have your frequency, which you will be able to see, okay, if your frequency is very high, you know, your audience could be too small and your ad might be shown to too many people, okay, or too many of the same people too frequently, okay. So yeah, that is just how we set our columns up for success for the agency and for our partners that we work with, and it's how you guys can do the exact same thing in your ad account, so you are reading the metrics correctly, and you know from A to Z basically your customer journey and the costs are involved of each thing. Okay, so I hope that helps you guys, and yeah, I'll leave it at that.